as I said, I've been a respiratory therapist for 30 years, and that particular profession gives me the advantage of being exposed to alpha and omega of life, which is the beginning and the end of life. In one moment, I can be treating a 500-gram or barely a pound neonate, preemie neonate, and treat a geriatric person, 90-year-old with a chronic condition and discontinued life support system. So I see the beginning and end of life, and I see everything in between. That gives me the advantage and the perspective how I can view that 60 years lifespan or 2 billion heartbeats, and validates that the transient nature of our well-being, and reinforces the philosophy in a sense that every single heartbeat and every single second, it's a gift that's given and should never be taken for granted and should be lived more deliberately. If we do that, that's the only way we can counteract all the negativity, all the disease and trauma that we see on a daily basis.